Using a non-traditional instrument, an orchestra in Boston is developing a new form of music. They are called the Boston Typewriter Orchestra, and they use old-style typewriters to give them their rhythmic tone.
Members Chris, Alex, James, and Brendan are all with us this morning to tell us more about how they got started. Well,
Good
how
morning.
are you guys? Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Thanks. Good to see you.
Was this group brought together out of a love of music? Are you musicians or you are typists?
It was brought together by a love of the typewriter, love of sort of making noise, making rhythmic music on the typewriter. It was I say it was brought together sort of for a love of twitchiness, and that sort of led to the music.
You must have an ear for music, though, because, I mean, you can't just, or did you just start tapping away and you realized if I hit it faster, it's a higher note? How did it work?
Well, Chris is a drummer. James is a guitar player. I used to play with synthesizers. Alex is just naturally...
Right, I was trombone in the marching band, and then that was about it.
I would think new typewriters are pretty much before your time, especially ones that aren't electric. So how did you come up with that idea?
So we sort of like the typewriters as a really cool mechanical device. I mean, you look down to the insides of them, it's got all these levers and springs and, intricate interconnections. It's really cool as an object. And then you start hitting the buttons and, they make all sorts of cool noises and sounds. And, you start putting that together and turns into music.
All right, before we let you guys play a little something, do you play gigs? Who hires you to play a gig?
Oh yeah, we're all over the place. There's we played a lot of museum gigs. We've played. We're doing a world tour of the Boston Public Library system.
All right.
That's fabulous.
All right. What are you going to play for us?
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What the heck?
Big.
Wow. Fabulous, you guys.
Yeah.
It's, you know what? You guys are like the Beatles of the typewriter
Yeah.
set, right?
Boy, Woodward and Bernstein were wasting their time doing whatever it is they were doing when they could have been doing this.
Well, if you guys come through Chicago on your library tour, come on by the station. We'd love to see it in person.
Shout out to Phyllis's Musical Inn. We played there like 3 years ago.
All right.
Well, come on back through town, and it's great to meet you all. You can check out more at the BostonTypewriterOrchestra.com or check them out on social media. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks, guys.